Introducing the 2025 Cupra Formentor 1.5tsi with 150 horsepower in sleek grey. This estate Jeep boasts a 1.5 litre engine, manual transmission, and top-notch features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and parking assistance for your convenience and safety. With multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, privacy glass, roof rails, and a Towbar Preparation add style and functionality. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer standards, this car is ready for you. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today for more details on this impressive vehicle.